Hey guys, welcome back. Robert Field and Bailey Munson here with Lightning Kayaks. We're going to show you in this video, super easy, how to replace the gear tracks on your Lightning kayak. Super simple. Bailey's going to run us through it.
All right, so to replace these gear tracks, we're just going to take out these screws here. There's no tricks about them. You just unscrew. You want to use number 10 by 3/4 inch flathead screws, sheet metal, so it's like sharp.
Alright guys, so if you've never used one of these gear tracks, there are kind of universal accessories that'll go into them from a variety of companies. This here is the Railblaza Mini Port, but basically you've got this metal track adapter, they call it, and what you want to make sure of is that if your accessory's screwed in too far, this is sticking down and can catch on those screw heads. So you just want to back it out until it's flush with this part, and then we'll put that down and slide it right in. It just slides right in. Should clear all the screws nice and easy if you have it backed out. Put it wherever you want, and then this one in particular, you just screw it down like this. Some of them have thumb screws, whatever the case may be. Get it down there nice and snug, and now you can put whatever accessory you want in there, such as the Railblaza rod holder too. Pop it in there, lock it in, now you're good to go. Super simple. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Super simple, a few screws. Now there are 16-inch gear tracks up at the front of the Lightning Strike. They're twice as long. Same process, just more screws. Super simple. If you have any troubles, if you get hung up, you need some help, you got a question, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. support@lightningkayaks.com. We'll get right back to you. Thanks to Bailey Munson for helping run us through it. We'll catch you guys in the next video.